50,000 subscribers. That's a milestone. And to celebrate, we got someone special, the OG Tbreak YouTuber.
50,000 subscribers. That number seems so surreal. When we started this channel, we didn't really have a plan. We had a tripod, we had a camera, and some of those older videos, oof, we had forgotten about them, but unfortunately, the internet doesn't forget. And I think we've come a long, long way. But with every step, every subscription, every like, comment, share on social media, we've grown bigger and bigger, and it's all thanks to all of you. So here's a little look back at our humble beginnings. Hey guys, Tbreak here with another unboxing video, and today we're unboxing the Obi World Phone SF1.
Hey everyone, Abbas here from Tbreak. We're here at the Step Conference 2015. I've got Mike from TechCrunch here. Hi Mike, how are you doing?
I'm great, thank you.
Hey guys, this is Lynn from Tbreak, and let's face it, checking your phone constantly for notifications can be a little bit annoying.
Hi guys, it's Katie from Tbreak.com with the amazing Nick, as always, and we're here again to talk to you about some questionable Kickstarter projects.
Hey everyone, you're looking at Faisal from Tbreak, and we've got the ultimate BlackBerry test for you today. Now we've got the recently released Q10 and the Z10, and we're going to test and see which one of these is a device that you can type faster on.
Hey guys, thanks for watching Tbreak Bytes, a show that aims to bring you the latest stories in the world of tech on a weekly basis. My name is Temur Fees and I'll be hosting the show this week.
Hey everyone, Abbas here from Tbreak, and we've got the Nokia Lumia 1520 massive 6-inch phone, or a phablet if you want to call it, for unboxing for you guys today.
From all of us here at Tbreak, thank you so much for coming with us on this wild journey together. Cheers to the next 50,000 subscribers.